がいいね。素晴らしい。The next compliment is かわいい。かわいい。Hey guys, I'm Minaka. My lesson theme is 褒め言葉。褒め言葉。It is compliment. Compliment in Japanese. 褒め言葉。So I introduce you so many different ways of 褒め言葉。The first thing I teach you is 基本のさしすせそ。基本のさしすせそ。The basic of 褒め言葉。さ、first さ。さすが。さすが。It means that's you. You're the best. And also, さすが means I didn't know that you are so great. Wow, it's surprise. Right. さすが。さすが。You did very good. That's you. You are the best. This is the first compliment in Japanese. The second basic is し。知らなかった。知らなかった。It means I didn't know that at all. That's new to me. I never knew that. So, 知らなかった also means how could you know that? That's great. That's great to know that. Wow, that's fantastic. So it is compliment. 知らなかった。The third basic is す。すごい。すごい。It means that's great. That's amazing. You are awesome. You're amazing. Alright? This is very good compliment. When someone does something very, very good, you say, すごい! It makes feel them very good. Alright? すごい! The fourth basic is せ。センスがいい! センスがいい! It means you have good taste. You have good taste. For example, when someone bought you a present and you really liked it, センスがいい! It means you have good taste. So you can say センスがいい as for clothing, looking, presents, ideas, many things. センスがいいね! The fifth basic is そう。そうなんだ! そうなんだ! Literally, it means I see, but そうなんだ is a compliment. So it also includes the meaning that you know much more than I do. Wow, you're great. So for example, 日本で一番高い山何か知ってる？知らない。富士山だよ。そうなんだ! In English, do you know the highest mountain in Japan? I don't know, I'm not sure. It's Mount Fuji. Oh, really? Surprise! You know that? Wow! Like that. Alright. かっこいい。かっこいい。It means cool. Cool. So, かっこいい. When we use かっこいい as for looking and appearance, we mostly use for men. But we also use かっこいい as for performance and people's mind and how to live a life. So we can also use かっこいい for everyone. For example, 彼の生き様はかっこいい. It means how he lives a life is very cool. The next compliment is かわいい. かわいい. It means cute. So pretty. かわいい is used as for looking and appearance and behavior. かわいい. In past, we only use かわいい for girls and children, but nowadays, some people use かわいい for boys who cares beauty a lot, who makes who makes up. 素敵 It means attractive, fantastic, cool. 素敵 can be used for everything related to compliment. Regardless of sex or situation, you can use 素敵 for every time. 素敵その服素敵 The clothing is very cool. あの人素敵 He is very attractive. 素敵 We have many ways of using 素敵素敵素晴らしい素晴らしい It means amazing, fantastic, very cool, genius. For example, この絵素晴らしい This painting is very fantastic. So, you say 素晴らしい normally as for the achievement. So, when someone achieves something very good, you say 素晴らしい For example, when someone gets very high score, 素晴らしいおしゃれおしゃれ It means fashionable. You are so fashionable. You are so stylish. So, we use おしゃれ for clothing, for looking for appearance. So, おしゃれ nearly means センスがいい For example, あなたすっごくおしゃれ which means you are so fashionable. Also, you can say you have good taste. Is it cute? おしゃれ似合ってる似合ってる It means it looks good on you. It looks good on you. So, for example, recently, I went to the hairdresser. So, what do you think? You can say, その髪型似合ってる It means you look great with your new hairstyle. You can comment like that. For me, right? 似合ってる頼りになる頼りになる It means you are so reliable. You are so helpful. So, for example, if someone could solve the problem that you couldn't at all, you can say 頼りになる It means you are so helpful. Thank you so much. 頼りになる It is a very good compliment for men. 頼りになるいい感じいい感じ It has two meanings. Looks good and sounds good. So, for example, as for my hair, その髪いい感じ means looks good with your new hairstyle. Also, for example, このプロジェクトこうした方がいいよね。いい感じ It means it's better to make this project, something like that. Sounds good. Good idea. The last compliment, it is omake addition, is 悪くない。悪くない。It's not always compliment, but especially if those who don't normally praise someone, other people, say 悪くない。It can be compliment. I'm sure. Alright? 悪くない。Everyday happy. Bye bye. Let's introduce samurai 言葉 samurai words. First one is かたじけない。かたじけない。It means ありがとう。ありがとう。It means thank you. かたじけない。 it is the first samurai word. Alright? Bye bye, everyday happy!